15% off at Lowe's. Yes, for everybody, only one day, and it's not at Love's, it's at somewhere else, but you are getting it 15% off Black Friday deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, we got 15% off at Love's, and big shout out or big thanks to Jonathan at the Deal Team 6 for posting this deal at the Facebook groups. Alright, so on to it. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this Dollar General page or this ad. It is one day only, so just keep that in mind when you're gonna be buying your cards. Make sure you guys stock up for all your for the year, or for as much as you can. Obviously, you don't want to spend all your money on this and not have it any for anything else, but you can get a few hundred, maybe 100 or something like that. All right, so we got the Dollar General. This is one day only. This is 11/24. Open 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. while supplies last. I believe somebody mentioned on the comments of that post that they said that they bought it online already. So I don't know if you can get this online, but at the stores it's already 15% off. It's going to be 15% off on Thursday, 11/24, 7 a.m. Make sure you guys be up and early on that day. Yes, guys, it's down here. It's this one right here. Killer deal, guys. This is 15% off of Love gift cards. If you buy 100, obviously you're going to get $15 off. Hopefully we can click on this. Yep, right here. So it says gift card $25 up to $500. Love's gift of the home. So this is Love gift cards. Preview 15% off. It says November 24th through November 26th in store only. I don't know if they're gonna have it the 26th, but it says right here one day only. So I wouldn't wait. So if you're planning on getting this, might as well get it now. Well, actually get it, when in store only. Yep. Yeah, so it says in store only. You can try it online. Let's see. Let's see we'll just type it in here. Lowe's gift card. Let's see what comes up here, and then we're gonna go from there. Yeah, it's kind of slow. Sorry. All right, we got Google gift cards. So maybe they're going to be doing with other gift cards too. We got Pokemon, a Visa. You got PlayStation. Yeah, they're not giving me the Lowe's here. Yeah, it's not showing the Lowe's. So, hold on. Let me just put gift card. Yeah, that's all it's showing. So it's not showing it yet, but the ad is up, and that is the Black Friday ad. So that will be up. I'm gonna see if I can try and click on it again, see if it'll take me to anything. I'll just put add to list, see what it does. Add it to your list. No, it doesn't say anything. Yeah, it's not giving you anything. So you do have to purchase it that day. That's a killer deal, guys. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description to this ad, in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.